Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic signal path. This prevents needless troubleshooting. Check the mains lead and fuse, then turn all levels to minimum, volume, gain, master, so you can safely power up. Next, inspect cables and connectors visually and by wiggling. A loose 1/4 or XLR kills signal. Once done, power the amp and watch LEDs or meters for life signs. No light suggests power or fuse problem. A light with no sound points to signal chain or speaker issues. Now you isolate the signal path step by step so you can find where sound stops. Plug a verified source and cable into the amp input. If you hear nothing, probe the preamp controls and channel switch. You might have a bad jack or a failed switch contact. Next, bypass FX loops and onboard processors to rule them out. Then check speaker outputs and speaker impedance. Mismatch or an open speaker often causes silence. Once done, swap in a known working speaker or use the amp's headphones to confirm. Finish by addressing the likely culprits. Change cables and fuses first, then retest. Many problems end there. If silence persists and you are comfortable, unplug and inspect internal power supply capacitors, solder joints, and output transistors for obvious damage. Faulty output devices or blown caps can kill audio. Once done, reassemble carefully and test at low volume. If you hit uncertainty or smell burning, stop. Safety matters. Take photos, note settings, and consult a qualified technician as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.